Alright, so today I'm probably going to be selling my 2003 Yamaha R6. Has 27,000 miles on it, but it's been pretty good. The valves are sounding pretty nice. Has a few small aftermarket changes on it, but nothing crazy. Mostly stock. But I gotta wash it before the buyers get here, and hopefully they buy it. I probably got someone lurking over here. Yeah, look at Duke. What's up, bro? Alright, let's move this thing up. And Tiff's new bike. Look how crispy this shit looks. KTM 390. Got the Subi chilling, looking all nice. Gotta water some grass. We got a dead spot right here. The bike's drying off though. I don't know if you can see that. Reserve. Bike did not sell yet.